Howdy, Carla. You too, Mr. Yond. This is the Chapter 18 Reflection for American Nation 2. Basic upgrades for 18. The topic is Reconstruction, pulling the South back into the Union after the Civil War. We have the assassination of Lincoln, all kinds of shenanigans like black codes in the South, interesting ebb and flow of power down there. The central topic would be the Radical Reconstruction era. Let's see, we got our guided notes here. Introduction page was upgraded, vocabulary was upgraded. Every lesson, particularly their objective page, was upgraded with standard picture sizes being formatted, everything cleaned up, spelling errors fixed, double checked all the quizzes to make sure all the answers were the way answers are supposed to be, things like that. Of note, SLO assessment number 2 was in here with writing exercise 2. We used the primary source document as the reading. It was the Gettysburg Address by Abraham Lincoln, and the kids, in general, struggled with it. They're not particularly great writers to begin with, and the added difficulty was that the primary source was the Gettysburg Address, and it was written a long, long time ago. Not quite like ye old English, but not common vernacular. And so, as a result, the kids struggled. Some kids did very well. Some of the kids that usually do okay did worse, and the kids that usually do poorly did awful. It was just an added level of difficulty.